Since the late 20th century, humanity's fascination with Mars has grown from curiosity to an ambitious pursuit of understanding. The red planet, with its rusty landscapes, towering volcanoes, and deep canyons, has long been a source of wonder and speculation. To unlock its secrets, humanity turned to robotic explorers. Mars rovers, autonomous machines designed to traverse the alien terrain and transmit data back to Earth. The journey began in 1997 with Sojourner, part of NASA's Mars Pathfinder mission. At only 10.5 kilograms, Sojourner was a small, lightweight rover, yet its mission marked a turning point in planetary exploration. As it rolled across the Martian surface, sending back images and data, the world watched in awe. For the first time, humans could see the surface of another planet in real time, witnessing the rocky plains, dust storms, and the desolate beauty of Mars as never before. Sojourner's success inspired a new era of Mars exploration. Scientists and engineers realized that Mars was no longer just a distant dot in the night sky. It was a tangible world, accessible through ingenuity and technology. The lessons learned from Sojourner paved the way for more advanced rovers, capable of traveling farther, conducting more complex experiments, and surviving the harsh Martian environment for years at a time. In 2004, NASA deployed two identical rovers, Spirit and Opportunity, each equipped with advanced cameras, spectrometers, and mobility systems. These rovers were designed to explore vast areas of Mars in search of clues about water and the planet's geological history. Spirit landed in Gusev Crater, while Opportunity touched down in Meridiani Planum. Their missions were intended to last just 90 Martian days, yet their resilience and design allowed them to operate for years, far exceeding expectations. Spirit, despite becoming stuck in soft soil in 2009, contributed enormously to our understanding of Martian geology. Opportunity, meanwhile, traversed more than 45 kilometers across the Meridiani Plains, discovering signs of ancient water, mineral deposits, and evidence that Mars once had conditions suitable for life. These discoveries transformed our perception of the red planet from a dry, barren world to one that had a dynamic and potentially habitable past. The rovers were more than just machines. They were pioneers, symbols of human curiosity and determination. Each wheel rotation, each photograph transmitted, represented countless hours of engineering, planning, and problem-solving. From navigating jagged rocks to surviving dust storms, the rovers demonstrated resilience beyond imagination. They became avatars for humanity on a distant planet, extending our senses and knowledge millions of kilometers away. In 2012, NASA launched the Curiosity rover, a car-sized vehicle equipped with a suite of scientific instruments capable of performing complex analyses. Curiosity's landing in Gale Crater was a feat of precision and ingenuity, known as the 7 Minutes of Terror, due to the critical sequence required for safe touchdown. The rover's cameras captured breathtaking vistas of layered cliffs and the base of Mount Sharp, revealing clues about Mars' wet past and the potential for microbial life. Curiosity's instruments analyzed rocks, soil, and atmospheric conditions, discovering organic molecules and evidence of ancient lakes and riverbeds. Each data point built a story of a planet that once had flowing water, a thicker atmosphere, and potentially habitable environments. Scientists on Earth monitored every experiment, piecing together a narrative that spanned billions of years, bridging the gap between distant past and present. Perseverance, launched in 2020, represents the pinnacle of robotic exploration on Mars. Designed to search for signs of ancient life and collect samples for potential return to Earth, Perseverance combines mobility, scientific instrumentation, and autonomy at unprecedented levels. Landing in Jezero Crater, Perseverance immediately began exploring river delta formations, analyzing rocks for biosignatures, and deploying Ingenuity, the first powered helicopter on another planet. Ingenuity's flights over Martian terrain were historic, demonstrating that powered flight is possible, even in Mars' thin atmosphere. The helicopter captured aerial images, scouting paths for Perseverance and providing perspectives that were previously unimaginable. Together, rover and helicopter created a synergy of exploration, allowing scientists to study Mars with both ground-level detail and overhead reconnaissance. Throughout these missions, the rovers have faced countless challenges. Dust storms, extreme temperatures, and mechanical wear test the limits of engineering. Yet, despite these obstacles, the rovers continue to send back invaluable data. Their longevity and reliability are testaments to human ingenuity, showing that even in an alien environment millions of kilometers away, we can extend our presence through technology. The discoveries on Mars have broader implications beyond planetary science. By studying the red planet, scientists gain insights into Earth's history and future, climate dynamics, and the possibilities of life elsewhere in the universe. Each rock analyzed, each crater examined, adds to our understanding of planetary processes and the conditions necessary for habitability. Moreover, the rovers have captured the imagination of the public, inspiring generations of students, engineers, and dreamers. Images of Martian sunsets, dunes, and distant mountains bring the alien planet to life, making abstract science tangible and emotionally resonant. Social media and news outlets worldwide share daily updates, fostering a global community invested in exploration and discovery. Beyond science, the story of Mars rovers is a narrative of perseverance, literally and metaphorically. The rovers navigate rugged terrain, overcome failures, and continue their mission, embodying qualities that resonate with human experience. Spirit, opportunity, curiosity, and perseverance each tell a story of innovation, resilience, and ambition, highlighting the human drive to explore the unknown. Mars exploration also raises philosophical and ethical questions. What does it mean to study another world? How should we balance curiosity with preservation? As we send machines and potentially humans to Mars, we confront the responsibilities inherent in expanding our presence beyond Earth. The rovers serve as both tools and symbols, reminding us of the power and consequences of exploration. In conclusion, the story of Mars rovers is one of human curiosity, technological mastery, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. From Sojourner's first cautious steps to Perseverance's ongoing mission, these robotic explorers have transformed Mars from a distant red dot into a vivid, dynamic world. Each discovery, image, and measurement brings us closer to understanding our planetary neighbor, inspiring wonder and reminding us that even across millions of kilometers, the human spirit can reach the stars. This 10-minute journey through Mars rover missions reveals not only scientific breakthroughs, but also the story of ambition, creativity, and resilience. The red planet, once unreachable and mysterious, now unfolds its secrets layer by layer to the persistent eyes of robotic explorers, and through them to humanity itself. The legacy of these missions will continue to guide future explorers, scientists, and dreamers as we extend our reach further into the cosmos. As we look forward, the lessons learned from Mars rovers pave the way for human missions, interplanetary colonization, and a deeper understanding of our place in the universe. The journey of exploration is ongoing, and each rover that traverses the Martian surface adds a chapter to the ever-growing story of human ingenuity, curiosity, and the eternal desire to explore the unknown.